Saucy gang gang gizang. It's your girl Doll Face Dior, and I'm back with another one. And I got something dope to try with y'all today. First off, happy 4th of July to everybody. Allergies and sinus bothering me a little bit, but I ain't gonna let it stop the grind. Let's get it. Good morning. Hey, we having Cheezits, smoke cheddar going up. What you say? Smoke cheddar. Okay. Oh, they smoke. They ain't playing. Okay. They're good. I'll give them a 10. They're fire. They hitting. It tastes like bacon and cheese. What I buy them again? Yeah. They're flavorful. They fresh. And they hitting. So when you go to your store, make sure you get you some. And I'll see you on my next one and my lizard. Alright? Peace.